back again. Hello. Với nãy chuanin thil dam dai lo net kan try ho do nga. Muno min ti po ka ringa hi first time Mizo ma chuanin ma saber. Ani ka ringa ani lo ta ni point. Chuanin với na kan ti tur chu Thazual award red carpet kha kan envekem o. Khata red carpet looks kan celebrity tena red carpet a an lo hak ang ho kha kan react don ni ma ole ang sain Thazual award hi chu mitin in kan mel share vek to anga Mizo ma po event kan nei pui thamber ani ti hi nyal the ni lova music industry a po pui thamber ani a tin fashion lama po Mizo te kan improve to zia pholan na pakhat ani a Thazual award show hi mo red carpet te po munom china ron chhuat tira chang khan intikum chek na ka chiang to lawa ti regular dewin kan lo enve china heng konga hianin aron chhop chuak tu about sai tu organizer te zonet cable tv te fak em a tiang tina chang hian shia a heng ma so na zel ni ti he kan shat la na ngai ni ole a chen kharai chuanin english word claim zong koron tel se so do na chan chu Mizo chong hianin fashion industry chon soifia thailo hi anga china Mizo chong ho sak lo na chu tuman kan hei lawanga chuwang chuan khang kha intisak tiang zong ani lova tiang zong a clear tiang zong milo clear sak lo ta ula chuwang chuanin khang kha koron soilo ani chu on a more serious note tun chuma koron react tur te red carpet look koron soi sela amo koron factor te hi personally le individually tuma ka wa holawa tuma ka mel share ke ma ka komchin po anom lo ni chuwang chuanin hei hi serious ta ka min lo ngai sak lo tur le ke mani ka improve chhozel na tura ta na min lo ngai sak tur zoking viewers te ka ngen chewa constructive criticism ani ti min lo ngai sak ton ya chuan poimo le deuh chu ke mai fashion expert ke in ti lawa fashion industry a hianin qualification pakhat ma ka nei lawa ma se viewer lo ni na anga ko opinion te ka ron share mai chu ni a he ko opinion te hi in lo pom nge po ka ringa ni ole hunte re lo zok nan le phur tlang lo min ka ringa chuang chuanin looks te clear ho don ole first look to lui sai lo ni a ni hi to lai model a chuanin ron lar chho em a chhelova mel po cha a figure na tok chia ani hian hengzana hian Thazual red carpet a hianin ne alar ham te ha he look hi tuma po ina Thazual an la hak ngai lo ang chi ania a daring a chuwang chuanin lui sai lo hi credit chatak kan pe ka ngai a hetiang confidence nei the hi chuwang chuanin kema po hen kema mi mal hianin ratings ka ron pedona chuwang chuan chung te chu min lo pom sak ngai po ka ring ani mas a look hi midala a color combination of a choker everything material anal veka a makeup po anala hairstyle everything it's cute ma se ka sel du lai ta ka chu a curve tilang lo lu tu ka hemi hian a piano tilang na lawa lui chu kan shira ka a piano na la figure anala amoi to ka a piano lang na lova hian ai parallel ang to hian tilanga hian na lova abaga hi chuanin clutch te pon na la a phekop pon na la everything is fine ma se hi tlemen a curvy do lekse chukati chuwang chuanin heng hi chu I'll give it 8 out of 10 ole dat le tan chuanin Priscilla fan ai kan hua hei chelo khop me ani hi tunlai Mizo zai thiama chuanin boruak ron nei chhoron lar chho mai ni a happening bon ta patun lai chan mo enge red carpet a hen ha kang performance na enge ha kang ti karil ruwa performance anei thei don ti ka share achang khan karil ruwa hen kangai to char to ni chuwang chuanin tuna hianin ka be se ron pha kangai dana chuanin he dress hi a moya a revealing a he Mizo red carpet a chung kan lo ngai lo ni a revealing the like anala hengi ani po hi credit chata kan pe ga ngai ka sia san chu heng aron hangam hi a chuan om ka tia chuanin address anala engkim anala hairstyle po nala ma se as a makeup artist a makeup hit le min karon clock de ulek dona chan chu akora sen to a beng be sen to a mui aron sen le hi atilang intia kan soyang hei amunom atilang munom lo do em o katia mitati kham deuh hlek em o kati deuh hleka ma se analon tu tuk chu om chuan lo ma se tlem natural deuh hlek soft deuh hlek khamang thei se chu a chalu tukanga bak zong ai chuan engkim red carpet a look shim shim ai chuan an nal lu tuk veka chuan chuan ni hi chu a nice 9 out of 10 adot le a chuanin mel shetir ngai hau lo mai the legend herself the living legend mo Ritamal somi ania aron chelo khumia kema life ka lo en wangin ama ka mu hi kema ka shock em ma chan chu het yang ang em a chala hian a lo lo om them ti ka ring phangai lo wa chan chu a music video te kan lo clear china oh ita ti vel khamo kha ka lo clear ve china kha are to lu to ka ni chu wang chu hei eti khopan la le chelo hian a ron la om chho theng ting rin dan ka nei lo shim shim ani red carpet look overall chuan a chelo a award aron present te khanin a chelo em ma se red carpet a tak hianin overcoat a ha hi I don't like it an chan chu an hnuai a hianin kor embroidered deuh han hnuai a kor hak le overcoat hi tle min mil lo deuh hlek katia abanga chuan an lu tuka kor an hnuai mi hi hmu chuan cha kunga chan chu tiang fabric hi tun lai Mizoram a in em em fabric hi na a in kan ti to kha chuang chuanin tuna Thazual award a po hian hetiam lam fabric kan hu hnem em ama po hian aron nal pui khop maya mai chu soi ngai lo na chelo renga makeup hi aron ti lu tuk lawa anal tok katia ma se asam color pon la but it's a little bit off trend chuanin ama look shim shim ai chuan I'll give it nice 7 out of 10 ole adot le chuan kan Miss Mizoram diva Miss Mizoram atang ron lar chho siam KC kan nei le ani chu personally pon ka model Mizo model a chuan ka favorite te top a chuan ka da thelong ma se ka favorite top 10 zinga hen om phani ani hian biak ni atlai sum kalam sual chuan khoi tek mi lo ngai dam bula biak ni a ron ha oh my god red carpet look hi anal khop maya anal lu tu ko ngai ta shelo ko om lo top don le biak ni hi a creative katia a work le ma zong ka lo mu ve photo alano panga a creative chhoh don makeup po hi moi chhoh lu tu ni and kutin song from all the nails goes I give it 10 out of 10 ole tuna mi hi chu flowy cut kata moi lu tu ka arong hi chu but that's it amai chu kan nail shade sa hello May Marilyn May okay ole look here flowy arong po na la fabric po ana tok me but that's all amai hian a sell lo kati hemi look hi chumo ma say it's not that I've hated her ana lu tu thawa but I don't like it so I'll give it a 5 out of 10 ole adot le chuanin photographer lar mai thalak po tungen nal lo ti omang mo model po ni thei thau pian figure in a 0 mai Jeremy Haunar kan nei lia ani hi buang changte ha buang changte his red carpet bi ka hi chuanin trend maya a suit and ron hadeu feka anal katia rong zong choice hi moi tapa ama po amai vel po kim kho perfect but the thing is suit Balenciaga bunle Balenciaga the shoes are suck shoes I think it's ai mil chia lo ka ti ke ma ngai da na chuan but choices. So once on Hello Kitsu, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Alright, so that's one in Mishing Pathum combination chhoh mai Stacy, the one and only Mar and the TP Kyangte. And ya can let me share again Stacy to can shift a Zai Tiam Del Boxy and ya Blank Patni Mar les TP to a makeup artist to line makeup artist at one a bear Shab Sano to Ankania. The one so and look here. I love it. A big thinking Stacy le Malimihi BBW. Big beautiful woman. Stacy Hianin, Christine Viha, Suanin Malimihian Vakiria, and then the TP Hianin Termiralte. Himzan big up Hajan and Nalutukan more and makeup a flawless Stacy and Clem Smoky, they were like in around there. That's it. More a more to a wardrobe and in me, so I'm Malimi Poman in Marzo can shiver makeup here in the lime in and a low eye of a lipstick bold the winner on Nayan and Vakiria Hak and say on Hain, a Telawa, Pekopo, and Allah. Everything is fine, it's good. So I need the TP Kyang Tehi. Hello, Luto. I love it. Mase, because I shall do like a corlanti, a laclo, Lutoka, a kutsia, seal of in a gay car on Langle, the way to Clemens, I and toy and more, and say that the hex say, to get Mase overall on a Lutoka with all those jewelries, everything is gorgeous. So, Stacy Bigot, so I'll give it 8 out of 10. And then Malimi 7 out of 10. The TP 8 out of 10 because girl you deserve it. Ole dotli atsuanin the one and only escaping moya. Designer bon lutuk bon chhoh lutuk bon rap thap chhoh lutuk shatiam ama escaping moya bika hitsuanin a red carpet look kan lo muto china chang te kan shock factor hi kan lo base chi ni mo mase mizan bika hitsuanin kahulawa top meang mase analo ka tin mia lo ne look hi mase like colorless the win black the win rain say yeah, but it's good suanin those shades it's a little bit extra for me, but overall look to Moya and I'll give it 7 out of 10. Ole adot le tan chuanin Mizo ma chuan hu ha nga ber kan ti theo me the one and only Silfanai Hamzan he wow a hello lutuka her dress, her makeup, her shoes, her nails, everything work. Filifana hitukan siya escape and moi muse, the OG muse kanya. Chuan a top big hituan a shoulder veil hi Filipino inspired terno kan ti ang kanin ka siya. Heng hi Mizo ma hituan kan lang hutam lawa Mizo hituan in me lawa nga kay ngai tla tan chu Mizo chu kan dar law phar do leka mase Filifana hituan ronin me lutukan ni mase ka du law lai takle pakata chu 2-piece nilaw se amahi gown ang ni top ta se chung 2-piece ni yan tea party velakal may ang red carpet nilaw tea party velakal may ang but a fabric nala makeup nala pay ko po nala. One thing I want to talk about is her nails, always goals mo Filipina so good tin song moy luto trying to makeup hi moy top boka muy gronghin me boka a complexion dik boka. I give it 9 out of 10. Ole adot letan chuanin the beauty queen herself Fiona Thazual wearing gray hlimpui. Me look big into performance na hakania makeup everything is fine good but a Korean tlemina ama hi hadeu zokem o katia girl Don't let the dress wear you. Wear the dress yourself. Having said that, arong shimshimizu fiona to complexion can shifika anala arong shimshimizu in but this look is enough for me and it's 4 out of 10. Next look is amazing. The goddess ethereal Moitei Ralte wearing her label hillside apparel. Ole hemigang big hitsu a color hi mint green and inkashia Mizo red carpet at chuanin kan hukhat very ball and inkashia ristala pays off. Tin kan gospel singer tan hianin red carpet da anin chedan tur hen dress choice than thiam hardon khopin ka sia chanchu en gospel singer tani chuan line a oma khang line kha cross house in red carpet da hen ron chelo thei em mai ni chu wang chuanin hemi look big page chu I just love it. So this look, makeup on point, dress, one of the best. 10 out of 10. I would give 100 if I could. Okay, next we have DJ Elven, the one and only, serving us her masculine side wearing buang changte. Only buang changte he red carpet big a chuan consider han sa eme buang changte hi nga tun lai chuanin a suit lo chu tuma hen kan chadu to lo muniti mai tur nia chan chu anala tailoring a moi ma a kutnu po hi a moi chhoh nok adi amai ro chu hetilai fabric man checkered style. Okay, I don't know hey hi himzana hen trademark community mai tur khopin kan muna sa ma hi chuan mit ati kham deuh ti. So I'll give her 7 out of 10. Ole next look at chuanin an angu VHL with her girls. Angu VHL biga hianin designer zing han underrated ma katia so he deserves more recognition. Ole a design hatute zinga zawi chain kan chana zawi here performance kan huchina a music video te pokan envekanga trendsetter kan top phe ma se mi red carpet zambi ha jon anal lo mi alo ma se a vibe nen hian mi address big hi to ain mil lo katia achan chu claim a daring the like revealing the like ha se ama hian energy nen hian ain mil don khop mega share but choices anal khop me and I'll give her 9 out of 10. Ole adodle chuanin Mizo model pakhat jing chelo mai khiang mingoi santa Michelle ani hi apian hi cha anala hemi look hian ron define katia a length po moi to ka shoe color nala chuanin am red carpet bi ga hianin bold lipstick hi alar katia shopping ke mo a red lampang roin mai de uzera but it's nice complexion edika and I give it a 8 out of 10. Ole to lia chuanin tunaya la MMA kim kimani ani pohem bo changte thawa ha but with the same fabric reaction to ngai renga so let's move on to the next. Okay, next that chuanin lomi khangte nia lomi khangte hi red carpet look kan lo mu photo anal chin MMA tun chuma point Christian V thoron halia simple for red carpet look. It's birthday party vela cocktail dress panga ang kaaning siya, but it's nice, it's simple, so I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Ole tuna chuanin tunlai music video lar kan mu tele music video ma de pon ni chun lar to kan shire ngom Mizo mi puite chuanin kungi kapi shangile the Josephine herself until ani hian escape emoyan ha mi pahui chu game up ya chon mi pahi chu kari fuck pe chin lawa game up hian ke in committee me chela ma hana fuzok chini ni chu chon join Josephine big so we can react on ole hey po hi akor hian hadeu ma mai mo katia fabric hitlema khong deu chi ni mela alandana hianin makeup anala samanala a bag hi red carpet tan chuanin alian lut tuka. Like you need a small clutch. Beautiful one. Claim it alian do look bizarre tura ang do hek tia. But around the la ain mea. So I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Ole dot lea chuanin a reigning Miss Mizoram Thantani. Ole Thantani hian himzana hianin Queen Bee aha Queen Bee and shianga koran nei na the emema chuanin hemi a look big hi chuanin color anei tam faklova black le white kind de umaya mase belchiana do emema ni hi mitvala vut lo ma se tian belchian kipun atira chon nal kalo ti lo but kan belchianga I was shocked. Okay, I'll give her a nice 8 out of 10. Ole adot lea chuanin Mrs. Hlimpui. Look at her face, beautiful. But it's not about the face we're looking at. Akorhi POZ aron ha at hello emma chanchu Mizo puan aron bi du hi nuam kalau tia kema hey cultural inspired topani anala afua but akorhi tlemin apua chop de lekem o katia hetilaya ahan chhoh adara ahan chhoh lai tak te hi sa shang de kimo apua chop de lekem o kate but color choice nala makeup po nala give her a 7 out of 10. Okay, adot lea chuanin model po lema thik deuh hlek pian dal tho si mel cha tho si complexion full boxy nui sai lo with her smoky eyes. And here Grace on Puiron ha golden queen slaying the carpet. So I need to give her an 8 out of 10. Okay. Tuna chuanin designer tuna lar chhoh himizan po address and how masat my Christine V aron langa. Okay. Let's be real, no tea, no shade. Business meeting na kulturan ang katia. And I don't like it. And kasi tiam lo chui kava offend na lang phang ni lo se apasal hian ngei red carpet ahin overcoat hi ha zia. So I think I need to give this two beautiful couple 3 out of 10. Okay, next up. The beautiful, the gorgeous Zamzami wearing virwada. Like om lampang in reveal though, like I was like obsessed with it. Mase address si atoy mama katia. Lemma flowing though, like ni se katia, but I think it's fine. She's cute, so I need to give her 7 out of 10. Ole tuna chuanin pageant Mizoram pageant lama kan chuan vor pakhat jingami Miss Someday alo long le hemi zan hianin mamiral te ha design ri ka shangai lova mase a design hi still pugat hey shock factor min pe chu ni lova mase anala tito pange mase a white light le min avar lu tuklau de ulekem o katia but kami ka color te polo ni veshim shim themo but overall a belt I think it's a little bit cheap a belt ti klemen lang cheap de uleka tilawa chuanin a look hi anala makeup flawless as always so I need to give her 8 out of 10. Next chuanin Zuali, one of the finest Mizo model. Kan hmua ani hian ruthi ang mga iron ha red carpet and yet it's red serving it am I kadulu to hen so baby face there like her long legs I love it a clutch moya na chuanin hemizana hi chuanin clutch moi de do I'm in back lam pangkhan ron war de ma okay allow in the pony mate but I don't know makeup goes here goes jewelry goes so I need to give her a 9 out of 10. Okay, the next one, the queen of TikTok, Thazual, wearing anonymous designer. Ole mizana hi chuanin TikTok kan hu ngai lo ang dewin a feminine side kan ron hu ve ta heng ti zia se chang ka ti chu ama chelova chubaka ai a curfew show in ma annala phekho kan nala agang here wrong a combination of cha makeup everything is fine but asam hi I mean ngai tha de lekem chu ka ti de lek but she's beautiful, she's gorgeous, so I'll give her an 8 out of 10. Ole, adot le chuanin rini hondo kan hua rini hondo hi chu kan siang a design po nal chhoh em ni a hemizan hian ama a level ron in bella, she's channeling herself. I mean look at here in anal kati em she's giving me those Zuhair Murad vibes. The fabric, everything is gorgeous. Her makeup, gorgeous. Mase kasoi tuang khan Mizo hi kan tai hi apuar chi no chu lang chon heng veng tur hian corset hi ha chi ni la theng tam tak hi aveng chi na ekta anal lo ani klema dress fit do la kan ha chuan just an advice, constructive criticism. Anala arong ai me a complexion then in choi moi to I think I need to give her a 9 out of 10. Brace yourself for this, you guys, because we're having a new face in town. Andrea Hondo, the up and coming model, aron lar chua tirngai tua hu hanga CMMA. Mase it's no surprise, look at her face. Ole hemizana hian Andrea hian Sangway Design Studio aron pho chuaka address big ai chuan nalti lai big emo nalti lo lai big emo kan nei lo topa average ni ama hena carry zo boka Andre chu dikta ka sei chuan in garbage bag po hak tirila moi amoi pui zo ole a red carpet mi a photo booth nen hian address hi ein blend moi to ma chuan in 10 out of 10 low inge dang pek theom I'd give it 100 if I could again oye atobera ta kan lo ke culture char unau chelo lutuk tak mai Miriam Kiante and TS Kiante wearing Miriam Kiante herself so you work to mialawa but these ladies have set a new milestone in Mizo fashion industry hemi look hi tai dai and Miriam Kiante hian siam liang ya thiam ka tilu tuka I was like and look Bollywood emo Hollywood aponi se kan lo mungai lo mon kan zin lo ni editorial lama Harper Vogue Vanity Fair vela de chon kan lo mu to ani mai thea ma se hemi look Mizo red carpet ape chon mu kan lo in base ngai lo anon pho choka just wow. He milestone and run set he Mizo designers tam tak te tan hian khu ma har sa don ma se adot le hianin khum ngei tumin chan lak na atang kan man chep kadua asan chu heng hi apui lu tuka chan chu fabric pa ngai mang loing and talent and show off nani pa acha ka tiluk tukani he look he I will give it a 15 out of 10. Ole khati zong khan ni ka reaction te muno min lo ti nge ka ringa min lo huat pui ang zong ni kha chuanin kema lama chuanin huat na rel ru pumia lo in karon ti chubaka red carpet look zong kha karon react lova kema na nal ka lo ti moi ka lo ti big ang tele cha ka lo ti muno min lo ti ve nge te na tura ka lo rin nang te kha karon react ni a chen ka chu fabric in ang de tlang pui ang te kha an lo manga khang kha chu pakhat khan a khai khom zo veka overall chuan Mizo te fashion industry akan chang chhoh designers ten pui chhoh designers lutna te po hello sang chhoh kan makeup look ni se anal chhoh makeup artist te po kan lutna asang chhoh tel la tin fashion industry kan chan len hianin zai thiam te kan pui tel se ani ti shain designers te chan la deuh to in du sang na kan chawa correction te huna min lo ti nge ka ringa tin ka channel te lo support awang ka loma lo like in lo share in lo subscribe le ula in ngai dan tam tak ta kha ka shedua comments lama min lo shil bokanga tin idea thar min pele thei turin comments lama te po min ron pui le chho turin ka ngen chho chu bye